Are you struggling to boost your medical practice's revenue despite providing top-notch care? Are you wondering if there's innovative approaches that can help you stand out in a competitive healthcare market? So watch this video and I'm going to share some strategies that could significantly enhance your practice's financial health as well as patient and doctor satisfaction. I'm Dr. Ariana Demers, and I am leading the way in orthopedic surgery innovation and shaping medical practices for success. Let's talk about the essential revenue streams for a medical practice, covering everything from patient visits to insurance reimbursements, ancillary, as well as cash-based services, my favorite. We'll explore how cutting-edge treatments like orthobiologics and regenerative medicine can revolutionize your practice. But how exactly do you integrate these innovative therapies seamlessly and boost your revenue? Here's how. So, what are the key revenue streams for a medical practice? Medical practices generate their revenue through patient visits, either it's consultations, initial visits, procedures, and this is really important for those diagnoses, treatment, planning, ongoing things, and they are essential to a practice's income. Secondly, ancillary services such as pharmacy, durable medical equipment, therapeutic services can also boost a healthcare practice's revenue. In-house pharmacies can provide convenient prescriptions or supplements. You can sell or lease DME. I know we have braces in-house. We also have some other medical devices that people can rent, and that does offer another income stream. You can provide therapeutic services like physical therapy or laser to generate additional revenue through separate billing. And then cash-based services. So these involve direct patient payments for treatments that are not covered by insurance, like cosmetic procedures, wellness program, elective surgeries, and regenerative medicine. Cash-based services provide immediate payment and reduce that administrative burden. You don't have to send it to the biller. You don't have to wait for insurance to pay. And this model offers flexible pricing and appeals to patients who are seeking convenience and personalized care. This also enhances the financial stability for practices. So, how do you actually increase your revenue in your medical practice? So, increasing your revenue, especially within orthopedics, is really about focusing on orthobiologics. And this has been a really promising strategy for a lot of my clients and coworkers. Orthobiologics and regenerative medicine obviously represent the future of orthopedic treatment by utilizing the body's natural healing mechanism to repair damaged tissues and joints. Also, researchers are exploring methods to use PRP to stimulate regeneration or treatments for osteoarthritis or even torn ligaments. And these innovations reduce the need for surgeries, shorten recovery times, and improve clinical outcomes, but also enhance your revenue stream. So here's how you can leverage this frontier, increasing your revenue stream and helping your patients. So first of all, get training in regenerative therapies, orthobiologics, and injection-based therapies. Make sure you consider training programs such as Interventional Orthobiologics Foundation, PRP Now for business, and you can also visit the link. It's in the links below, prpnow.com. And you can implement this cutting-edge treatment in your practice to attract patients who are seeking the latest advancements in orthopedic care. By adding a new, innovative procedure, your practice can cater to a wider range of conditions and injuries and take care of patients that are sitting in your office that you didn't have a solution for before. And this increases your overall revenue. Making sure you educate your patients on the benefits of regenerative therapies through content such as brochures or online resources is super important. The more informed the patient is, the more likely they'll opt for these advanced strategies of treatment. So go ahead and use your digital outreach to reach these patients. Highlight your success stories and use patient testimonials to build your trust and credibility. And then obviously, quality of care is huge. Make sure you take a holistic approach to taking care of your patient, including physical therapy, nutrition, lifestyle modifications, hormones, other patient experience personalization that can improve not only their follow-up and their care, but their outcomes. So by integrating regenerative medicine and orthobiologics in your orthopedic practice, you can not only improve patient outcomes, but you can also improve your revenue stream. This approach aligns with the evolving landscape of medical treatment, offering a sustainable and effective solution for a range of orthopedic conditions. Now, is it just that easy? Well, yes, it is just that easy, but it's also not. So some people have easily integrated orthobiologics in your practice, and really, it's minimal equipment. You need a centrifuge, you need someone to draw blood, some PRP kits, and it's pretty low cost to do. And you can give these injections within the existing exam rooms. You don't need any other equipment or location. And honestly, physicians who have already been doing injection-based therapies, you can learn this quite simply. Sometimes it's a weekend course or short training programs, some online programs like PRP Now. Additionally, physicians can quickly learn the way to prepare PRP and the injection techniques through short training programs and workshops. Many physicians are already familiar with injection therapies and find this transition seamless. Various organizations offer certification courses that can be completed in a matter of days, providing the necessary knowledge and skill to perform PRP treatments. Also, PRP is super safe. It uses the patient's own blood and reduces the risk of reactions. And really, it's excellent outcomes with excellent safety. So, I've shared some key revenue streams for medical practices. We've covered the importance of patient visits and insurance reimbursements, but also ancillary services and cash-based services. We've talked about how integrating orthobiologics and regenerative medicine, such as PRP, can boost your revenue, improve your patient outcomes, and make the doctor happier as well. So remember, by staying innovative and focusing on comprehensive care, your practice can thrive. Don't miss my next video where I reveal top strategies for networking with other doctors and enhancing your professional connection. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, subscribe to my newsletter to get upfront updates.